Greetings, my drinking buddies. Today we are talking about the 90s classic TV series, The Simpsons. And more specifically, we are talking about the Flaming Moe or the Flaming Moe Homer, depending upon how you look at it. Let's get started.
I'm your drinking buddy.
All right, in order to make a Flaming Moe or a Flaming Homer, you're going to need 1 cup of ice. But before I begin, I feel like I should explain this beverage to those of you who might not know what it is. See, there used to be this TV show that ended a long time ago called The Simpsons, and it died somewhere around the year 2000 with an episode called The Principal and the Pauper, We're Looking at You. But, you know, in its heyday, it had some really great episodes, and one of them was one called Flaming Moe's. And in that episode, Homer, desperate to make a drink, takes a little bit from all of his liquor bottles and comes up with a concoction that tastes much better when you light it on fire. But there's a catch. He accidentally put some children's cough syrup in his. Mine's not going to have any children's cough syrup in it, but I'm going to emulate that flavor a little bit with some liquors. And it's going to be fun. There's fire involved, so you can't go wrong. So I got my glass filled with ice, and we're going to begin with 3/4 of an ounce of lemon juice. Next up, we're going to do 3/4 of an ounce of tequila. This is one of the ingredients that we know for sure is in the Flaming Moe, because we see the bottle on the counter while he's making it. Another one of the ingredients that we know for sure is in the Flaming Moe is schnapps. We're going to use, it just says schnapps on the bottle. We don't know what kind of schnapps it is. We're going to use 99 bananas because I think it's easy to reason that Homer might have a bottle of 99 bananas in his pantry. All right. Next up, we are going to do some rum. I'm going to use this Bacardi Dragonberry. But you could use regular rum if you don't have Bacardi Dragonberry. It'll just be a slightly different drink. We're doing a theme similar to a Long Island iced tea. So that's why I'm doing the 3/4 ounce shots, and that's why I'm doing these specific liquors. Next up is 3/4 of an ounce of gin. We're coming with our MVP of this channel, cheap gin. The channel MVP. All right, next up, we have to figure out a way to emulate this cough syrup flavor. So I'm gonna do 3/4 of an ounce of creme de violet, which some people say tastes like medicine. I think it just tastes like delicious, but some people say it tastes like medicine. All right, so 3/4 of an ounce of creme de violet. Next up is 3/4 of an ounce of Chambord. And I think this is gonna give it a little bit of a sweet medicinally flavor, but also not tasting gross, because we want to enjoy this cocktail. It can't taste like garbage just because the one from The Simpsons sounds like it would. We want to enjoy this guy. 3/4 of an ounce of Chambord. I'm going to put a little bit more ice in this. We're going to top it with some fruit punch. It stands to reason that Homer would have some fruit punch in his pantry, and he would be willing to throw some Hawaiian punch in there. Today we're using the Simply stuff, but fruit punch would do just fine. I'm going to stir this up. Make sure all these flavors mix together. All these multiple liquors. All right, I'm going to put in here a boat of lemon and stick it on top. And inside that, you're going to fill it up with some absinthe. Now that we have absinthe in there, we are going to give this drink its namesake and make it the Flaming Moe. All right, it's going out pretty quickly. That means we need more absinthe. All right, it is a flame. We have a flame going. I'm afraid it was a little hard to tell that it was a flame, so we're going to do some pyrotechnics just to show that it's a flame. Little cinnamon.
I'm your drinking buddy.
All right, drinking buddies, I've extinguished the flame, and I just went ahead and pushed that lemon down to the bottom and stirred it up. Let's give it a taste to see how our Flaming Moe tastes like. It's very bubblegummy. I think Bazooka Joe is gonna sue me. It's very bubblegummy. But it's also got its roots in tiki. It's got its roots in the Long Island iced tea. So there is a lot of other stuff going on here. I get a little hint of the gin. I get a little hint of the agave from the tequila. The 99 bananas is coming through really nicely. Maybe that's where the combination of the fruit punch and the 99 bananas, I think, is causing that bubblegummy flavor. There's a lot of booze in here, so this is one that if you're making this at home, you probably only want one. But it's a fun experience. The fire was fun to see, and I paid homage to one of the 90s greatest shows that ended after it stopped being good, and it hasn't been on in years. At least that's the way I remember it. To the Flaming Moe, or Flaming Homer, depending upon how you look at it. Well, thank you guys for watching. If you haven't yet, follow me on Instagram, post on there a lot, and please like, share, and subscribe. I could really use your help with the subscribe thing. It shows me that about half of the people who watch my videos aren't subscribed on the little algorithm that I can see. And if you like me, subscribe to me. It's free. So thank you. Have a great day.